How often do you find yourself lost in a sea of content, wondering how to stand out? Dreaming of the day your YouTube video hits the viral jackpot? Well, the day has arrived. In today's video, we unravel the mysteries behind creating viral YouTube content. By following these simple steps, you're on the path to garnering millions of views and a soaring subscriber count. Step 1. Hook your audience from the get-go. A compelling hook or an intriguing question can be the difference between a viewer clicking away or staying tuned. Step 2. Create content that stirs emotion. Be it laughter, awe, or curiosity, emotions are the catalysts for shares and engagement. Make your viewers feel something. Step 3. Maintain conciseness and focus. Sidestep long-winded explanations or convoluted messages. Shorter videos often have a higher viral potential. Step 4. Fine-tune your video's title, description, and tags. Perform keyword and trend research to boost your visibility in search results. Step 5. Spread your video far and wide. Utilize social media, forums, and collaborations to extend your reach. Share, and then share some more. Step 6. Engage with your viewers. Respond to comments, solicit feedback, and cultivate a community. This not only builds loyalty, but also encourages sharing. And there you have it. With these 6 simple steps, you're on track to creating YouTube videos that grip the world and go viral. We appreciate you tuning in, and please subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and advice to help you shine on YouTube.